In a previous video, we discussed how to download Brightspace's question template to use for your quizzes. In this video, we will go over the different question formats in the template and learn how to format your own test questions. Brightspace's template includes the formats for the following question types: written, short answer, matching, multiple choice, true or false, multi-select, and ordering. Each template includes an ID number, a category, points value, difficulty levels, a space to link an image, an area to place your correct and incorrect answers, hints, and feedback. These templates must also be filled out and exported properly, because any mistake will cause it to not upload properly. What you will need to do is determine the number of questions you have in your test and how many of each type. Next, you create a new spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. Copy the first 6 rows of the template and paste them into your new sheet. Then, in the template, copy all of the rows of the question type, from the question type to feedback, as well as all the columns associated with it. Paste it into the new spreadsheet, skip one row, and repeat the process for the next question until you reach the number of questions in your quiz. When it comes to filling out the copied templates, the first column should be left alone, as it will be your guide to filling out the correct spots. Let us examine how to fill out a multiple choice template. Place the initials MC next to where it says New Question for it to be identified as a multiple choice question. Note that the initials for each question type are in their respective templates. Next to where it says Title, type in the question category or topic. Paste the question itself next to where it says Question Text. Note that this is the one area that can't ever be empty. In the next 2 rows, determine the points value and difficulty level of the question. If you have an address to the image associated with the question, you can paste it in the column next to Image. The multiple choice template gives you 4 rows to place your correct and incorrect answers. These, however, will be pasted in the 3rd column, as the 2nd column contains numbers that help determine which is which. Incorrect answers will be pasted next to the cells containing the number 0. The correct answer will be pasted next to the cell containing the number 100. Next to the answers, in the 5th column, you can paste feedback phrases for each. On the next row, next to Hint, you can paste a phrase that will provide a hint towards the correct answer to the question. Finally, in the last row, next to Feedback, you can paste feedback that will be provided to the test taker. Although similar, these templates differ in answer types. For example, for a written response question, you must paste initial text and answer key text. For short answer questions, you must provide an input box and some partially correct answers. For a matching question, you need to specify the scoring method and provide matching choices. The 2nd column provides the numbers 1, 2, and 3 twice, and in the 3rd column, each choice must be pasted to their respective matching number. For a true or false question, you must indicate the correct answer by putting the number 100 next to it in the 2nd column, while putting 0 in the row for the incorrect answer. For a multi-select question, there are at least 3 rows provided for answers. The answers will be pasted in the 3rd column, while the 2nd column will contain numbers like 1, which indicates correct answers, and 0, which indicates incorrect answers. In the 5th column, you have the option to provide feedback for said answers. Finally, for ordering questions, after you indicate the scoring style, you must paste the text for each item in the 2nd column, whether they are HTML in the 3rd column, and then optional feedback in the 4th column. As stated in the previous video, You must save the spreadsheet as a CSV file for it to be uploaded properly to Brightspace. It is best that you practice with these templates before using them regularly. If you have any questions regarding the quiz templates, please contact the Kingsborough Center for e-Learning.